Are you looking for a custom brass stamp? I would say look no further. I was gifted this by a company called Keynesy. It is brass, so therefore it'll last forever. What I really like about it is how deep the grooves are. I'm sure you can see how deep the grooves are. And very great fine detail. As you can see, this is my signature picture. I mean, look at the detail, even the little handle and the buttons on it. I am so impressed. It is absolutely gorgeous. Here's my signature picture. Tell me that doesn't look exact same. They've done a great job. This is the 1 inch brass, and 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch. The handle comes separate, and you just screw it on. You can put cornstarch. I didn't need to put cornstarch on, but if you use it over and over, you might need to. The quality is phenomenal. I highly recommend it. You're looking for custom? I just gave them a little picture of what I wanted, and that is what came out.